What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your YouTube and upload videos on YouTube through n8n. So first you need to head over to your n8n's website and then you need to create a new workflow. And after creating a new workflow, you need to click on this add first step and then you need to choose trigger manually. After that, you need to click on this plus icon again and then you need to search for YouTube and click on YouTube. After clicking on YouTube, here you can just simply create playlist actions, and after that in the credential section click on select credential and then create new credential, and after that you need client ID and client secret. So to get both of these you need to head over to your Google Cloud Console, and after that in the library section you need to search for YouTube API. After searching, here you can see the YouTube data API. Click on that and then click on enable. After clicking on enable, a new window will appear, and from this window you need to click on OAuth consent screen, and after that you will see a button to get started. But if you can't see the get started button, you need to click on clients, and after clicking on clients at the top you need to click on create client. After creating a new client you need to choose the application type to web application, and then you need to enter your application name, and then in the URL section you just simply need to enter this URL, which is the OAuth direct URL. Simply copy it from here and then you just need to paste it here, and then you need to click on create. After that, in the small pop-up, your client ID will appear. Just simply copy your client ID, head over to n8n, and then paste your client ID. Come back to the Google Cloud Console and then copy your client secret. Head back to n8n, click on client secret and then paste your client secret, and then just simply need to save it. And after saving it you need to make sure that you sign in with Google. But if you don't sign in with Google, your YouTube won't be connected to n8n. So just make sure to sign in with Google, and then your app of YouTube will be connected to your n8n. So this is how you can connect your YouTube to n8n. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.